And now breaking news in the fiber optic industry. Andersen is pleased to announce the release of the HF96 rapidconnect horizontal fiber optic splice closure. It comes standard with 4 24 splice cassettes that can slide in and lock into place, which means up to 96 fibers can be installed within the rapidconnect horizontal FOSC. So whether you require 24, 48, 72, or 96 fibers, this product will suit all your requirements. Not only are they ideal for long-term use in areas with greater surface temperatures or stronger UV light, but they are also suitable for direct underground burial, aerial, and wall-mounted environments. Due to the uncontrollable surroundings, the sealing performance of the rapidconnect horizontal FOSC is produced to an excellent standard, ensuring high strength and an advanced internal design. Now, the best news of all is that Andersen has plenty of stock. So, contact us to order the rapidconnect HF96 horizontal FOSC. And to find out more about the rapidconnect horizontal FOSC, just visit Andersen's website shown below.